Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my tour. Today I'll be making some chicken chop suey. Before we get into that video, guys, please go subscribe to my channel. Get me to 1,000 subscribers, please. I know you guys can do it. Yeah, you guys can. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. Hit that notification bell when you're done. Share, like, comment, all that good stuff. Let's get into this video. These are the ingredients for the chop suey. I have pak choy, cabbage, bell peppers, string bean, carrots. I have rosemary, scotch bonnet pepper, and minced scallion. Yes, and I have ginger and garlic here. This is a chicken breast. I seasoned this chicken breast with Mrs. Dash, Fiesta lime, and chicken seasoning, salt and pepper, and it's been sitting in some soy sauce. Yeah. So let's go ahead and brown this chicken and start the process. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some garlic and ginger. far I haven't had any sauce to this, because if you do, then guess what? It's gonna spring too much water. So when everything is finished and we turn the stove off, that's when I'm gonna add salt to this. When I tell you the flavor of this, oh my god, amazing! That rosemary flavor. And then this is it, guys. Quick and easy chicken chop suey on the menu today.